Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. In today's video you will find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators EMA, RSI, divergence and MACD are showing for it, so you can become a more successful trader. By taking a look at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, the price moved up with around 3.1% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 130. But the volume wasn't very high, so the move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 127. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 65, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Next, looking at the moving average convergence divergence, or short MACD, it uses two moving averages, usually the 12-period and the 26-period moving average, subtracted from each other to create a single line, the MACD line. Another line is used as a signal line, which is usually the 9-period EMA. You should watch for crossing between these two lines for a trend change, respectively a trigger for buy and sell signals. There is also a histogram often to the MACD indicator, which shows the strength of the trend. When we now look at the current hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the 3-hourly ribbon, so it is to see if the price will dip back below the ribbon or it will play as a support to the downside, currently at around 128. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 61, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the bullish divergence. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 150. The resistance should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Jumping to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 40, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.